Bad data is like an iceberg. The visible problems are just the tip. Beneath the surface lurk massive hidden costs, wrong decisions, wasted effort, lost customers, and missed opportunities. Data quality issues cost businesses billions annually. This classic computing principle applies perfectly to data science. No matter how sophisticated your algorithms, they can't overcome fundamentally flawed data. Your insights and predictions are only as good as the data feeding them. Quality is the foundation. Data quality issues take many forms: duplicate records creating false counts, missing values hiding important patterns, inconsistent formats preventing analysis, and outdated information leading to wrong conclusions. Each type requires different remediation strategies. Research shows poor data quality costs organizations 15 to 25% of operating budget. Even worse, the cost multiplies as errors propagate. Fixing a data problem at the source costs $1, at the analysis stage $10, and after a wrong decision perhaps $100 or more. We measure data quality across multiple dimensions. Is it accurate, reflecting reality? Complete, no missing pieces. Consistent, same across systems. Timely, current enough. Valid, in proper formats. Unique, without duplicates. Each dimension matters for different use cases. Before any analysis, profile your data. Calculate completeness rates, identify outliers, check for duplicates, and verify against known sources. This upfront investment saves enormous downstream problems. Make data profiling a standard practice. Don't just fix data problems, prevent them. Implement validation at data entry, automate quality checks, establish data stewardship, and create quality gates before analysis. Building quality into processes is far cheaper than cleaning up afterward. Data quality directly impacts business outcomes and bottom line. Problems include duplicates, missing values, inconsistencies, and outdated records. Assess quality before analysis and build prevention into your processes. Quality data is your competitive foundation. Next video: descriptive versus predictive versus prescriptive analytics.